I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming language and upload your video. That ensures YouTube matches speech correctly. Once processing shows basic playback, go to YouTube Studio and choose subtitles for that video. Click Add or Edit to create captions. This is your first actionable step. Make sure you select automatic captions only as a draft. Don't publish them immediately. You'll refine timestamps and text next. While that's loading, prepare a short transcript file to speed up the syncing process. Now you move into editing and syncing. This is where accuracy matters. You'll read through the auto-generated text, correct misheard words, and add punctuation so captions are readable at a glance. Then adjust timing. Drag caption edges or nudge times by tenths of seconds to match speech cadence. If you have a prepared transcript, upload an SRT or SBV file and use auto-sync to align text to audio automatically. Once done, preview playback to ensure reading speed and breaks. Finish by publishing captions and adding optional translated subtitle tracks for wider reach. You can upload SRTs for each language or enable community contributions. Once published, test on multiple devices and speeds. Make sure captions don't overlap or disappear too quickly. If captions are out of sync, reopen the editor and resync, or upload a corrected SRT. If automatic captions are poor due to audio quality, clean the audio and reprocess, or provide a manual transcript. That fixes most recognition errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.